Hello, my name is Alim Çakır. In this video, I will tell you about my Homework 5 and Homework 6 Preworks for final retake exam. Here's our outline. Homework 5 is about counting the number of occurrences of a special character in a given string for Pentium microprocessors. Homework 6 is about palindrome detecting code with emoppend and comparison of VirtualBox and emoppend. Let's start with Homework 5. On the screen, we see how we converted the code we saved in Notepad into an ISO file. You can see the stage of this transformation we made via CMD on the screen. Then, in order to run this ISO file, we set up a virtual Windows 95 machine for ourselves from the VirtualBox application. You can see the features of this machine in the screen. And finally, we run our ISO file on this machine, and we see the screen where we can use this application. On the screen, we press random letters to find out how many letters are in the written sentence. And the program correctly shows us how many letters there are. Let's continue with Homework 6. First, we installed the emoppend application. Then we wrote the code we wanted to run in the white section and clicked the Run button here. When we switched to the console screen, we saw that the program was running. The purpose of this program to understand whether the word we wrote is a palindrome or not. To test this, we wrote words that we know were palindromes. Anna, Madam, and Level words are palindrome, and the program verified them as it should. Our program, which can also understand non-palindrome words, and gave an error with more than 30 letters in here. The main factors we need to pay attention for our program to work properly are uppercase and lowercase letters. Because the program checked the letters in the words by looking at their ASCII codes. Since the codes are different for uppercase and lowercase letters, our program says that these words are not palindromes. When we try the code in Homework 5 is here, we get that error that appears on the screen. And my conclusion and comment about Homework 5 and Homework 6 are: emoppend provides great convenience in terms of installation and use. Doing the 5th assignments required more effort. Both programs opened without any lag, it was fast. While doing these assignments, I saw things that need attention in both programs. I realized what kind of errors programs are prone to. I understood which program would be easier to use for which process. And here, emoppend is useful for basic programs. No need file format knowledge. Basic, educational. Faster uploads take less times, and just for basic programs. About CMD and VirtualBox, executes complicated programs, need to know technically, for professional use, software. Slower uploads take more time for programming and can be used for ISO formatted programs. Thank you for listening to me.